Hello guys, welcome back to my channel SN Insights. My name is Asan Khurram, and in this channel I teach small business owners how they can actually bring their business online on platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and ultimately scale their business to $1 million revenue by the use of social advertising or Google uh, paid advertisement. For today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can actually update your plugins in WordPress admin dashboard. So any one of you who don't know what kind of hosting platform I'm using, so I'm using Hostinger as a hosting platform, which is used to host my WordPress websites or any websites actually I want to host on that platform. It comes with a very handy features and tools that is helpful for any small business owner to save their time and not to mess up with the hosting platforms, not to mess up with the how they can actually host their website on these platforms. It comes with a set of features. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel SN Insights. My name is Asan Khurram, and in this channel I teach small business owners how they can actually bring their business online on platforms like WordPress and Shopify that are actually used to host their websites, and ultimately use those online platforms to scale their business to $1 million revenue with the help of social advertising like Facebook advertisement or Pinterest advertisement. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can actually upgrade your plugins within WordPress admin dashboard. If you don't know, I am currently using Hostinger as my hosting platform. Hosting platform is such that which is used to host your websites like WordPress websites or e-commerce websites. So it's a very handy hosting platform. It gives you a set of features that comes very handy when you need to manage your website. So let's move on and actually see how you can actually update your plugins in WordPress admin dashboard. So in the C panel of Hostinger, I will go towards WordPress, then I will go towards overview. Here it will give you an overview of what kind of websites is running right now, what are the features of the website. So currently I'm interested in to go towards WordPress admin dashboard. So in order to go there, I will click on this WordPress admin. It will directly land me towards WordPress admin dashboard. Now, since I am in the WordPress admin dashboard, I will hover over my cursor to dashboard, then I will go towards updates. Now here it will give you an update or an idea or a view of what kind of plugins that you need to upgrade in WordPress admin dashboard. And you can also see that it is giving us as a message that you have the latest version of WordPress. So for example, if the new version of WordPress gets released, it will give you a notification there and you can easily upgrade that WordPress version. And even if you are having some kind of or some sort of troubles in your WordPress website, you can actually reinstall the version by clicking this on this button. This can sometimes help you get rid of those errors and let you host your website smoothly. Now let's move on to see what kind of plugins do we have that we actually need to upgrade. So here I have bunch of plugins like all-in-one SEO, Astra widget, which is used for my hosting my WordPress website. Then we have Hostinger II, which is definitely I'm going to upgrade right now, and we have other as well. So here is this and Google's Kit by Google. So it is a kind of give you a holistic view of how your website is performing on Google search. And then we have Spectra. This is some of the blogs that I use for building my WordPress website. This is used by Spectra. So here a key thing to note that sometimes when you update your plugins, your website gets messy due to some non-compatibility with the latest WordPress version. So in that case, we don't want to actually update those specific versions. So in that case, I will leave Spectra and starter template as it did, and I will not update it, but the rest of the plugins I will update it. So I will click on this all-in-one SEO, extra widgets, Hostinger AI, Hostinger tool, Lightspeed cache, okay, this thing, and Salt Shaker, Google site, Node Spectra, I will not update it. Starter templates, I will not update it. VP Code Lite, which is used to actually install the Facebook pixel, I'm going to update it. And finally, VP Form Lights. So I will simply click on update plugins. So it will give you a notification that your plugins are being updated. So now that you can see that we have successfully updated our plugins. Okay. So I hope this tutorial have been helpful. If you have any questions regarding today's tutorial, feel free to write down your comments. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you for joining me. I will catch you soon in the next.